Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys my makeup look, and I know that sounds really strange, but I usually just have like one sort of look that I do. So I'm going to show you guys that, and yeah, right now I'm looking very pale. I've actually moisturized, but my skin is looking kind of dry still anyway. Just a FYI, the mirror is here, so if I'm looking kind of side to side a little bit, that's why. I'm gonna re-moisturize my face. I'm just using the Body Shop's vitamin C. I'll try and get like a cute shot of it just like floating in the air if my graphics are that good. But yeah, we'll just get straight into it. I don't know if like what's the best way to do this. Is it like a talk through, or is it more of a just watch me kind of thing? I'll do a bit of both. And then you guys can let me know in the comment section below like what you prefer, and like if I do another look, which I mean I don't know if I'll ever do another look because I only have one look. Maybe if I update my go-to look, then I'll refilm it, but as it stands this is essentially what I do. Just shake it up a little bit. I'm going to use this SPF. It is the Hello Sunday, the everyday one. It's literally called the everyday one, and it is SPF 50. Yeah, I haven't really used this in a long time. I usually use there's another one I'll show you actually. This is the one I usually use. So this is the one that I use in the summer. It's a lower SPF 45, but it's just I feel like it's more appropriate for summer because it's less oily. I have combination oily skin, so in the summer my skin is screaming with oil, but in the winter it's kind of looking a little bit dryish. So yeah, I'm just gonna speed the process up and just use two hands because yeah. And yeah, my skin is kind of bugging right now, but I'm saying bugging, it's just reacting to the rubbish that I've been eating, so can't really blame that. So yeah, my skin is looking very kind of shiny right now, but I like that because I use matte foundations, so that I'm not looking too dry. I like to go in with like quite a moist, almost oily looking base. This is called Soft Matte Complete Foundation in the shade Macao, and this shade is actually a little bit too, I don't know, I don't want to say dark, but it's not quite right for me, so in the winter that is. So I'm going to mix it with a little bit of the Fenty Pro Filter Instant Retouch Concealer in the shade 380. I'm just going to mix a little bit of that in. I do sometimes also use a little bit of oil, just a little, like the tiniest drop of oil. But I'm not going to do that today because I feel like I've got a shiny enough base. So see, you can see it's a little bit darker, but it's fine. So you can kind of see it's kind of more red, whereas I feel like my undertone's a little bit more yellow, but it's fine. Let's do this before this dries on my hand. I should have started there. I got this ugly ass spot that I need to cover up. I'm gonna go kind of minimal on the forehead. So I tend to do the entire face first with the majority of the product. I always forget my nose. I always forget my nose. Like, can I not see it on my face? Always. But like whatever's left on the brush is what I will use on my forehead. Like I go really light on the forehead just because I don't really need it on the forehead at all. So that is that. What do I do next? concealer in, it's a high coverage liquid concealer in the shade Rich Ginger. That will actually do. Okay, I'm going to leave that for a little bit just to kind of dry down a little bit so that when I blend it, it's not moving too much. And while that's drying down, I'm going to do my brows. I'm going to line them first. Okay, so I've just lined them and I haven't finished, but I'll come back to that. I'll come back to the brows in a minute. I just don't want this to dry too much before I start to blend it out. So, ooh, I'm just gonna carry that up here. This is not the best brush for this, but it is working as of now. I'll just make sure that that's all the way out here. Sorry, what is going on? What conversation is going on right now? Cool. Okay, I'm just gonna finish my brows now. Okay, I'm just gonna, oh, I keep doing this, I can't actually see. And then my little bum chin. I actually don't even have a bum chin, don't know why I said that. Okay, not very well blended. So the Laura Mercier, it's translucent honey. Whatever's left goes on my forehead. Okay. I essentially just put this everywhere where I have concealer, and then I go in with the Clinique Invisible Blend, and I just do my smile lines because cool. And we're gonna get this off the face. I don't what's it called, bake or anything, so I'll just get that off. Dust that off. Oops. Oh, I got that all in my hair. All in my hair, it's fine. So now that that is set-ish, I'm gonna finish my brows. I didn't finish my brows. As you can see, my my makeup routine is kind of all over the place because, I mean, I don't do it often, so I don't really follow a particular structure. Just brush there, brush that out there. Very light-handed on the brows because it's just the aesthetic that I'm going for. Cool, cool. I feel like this could be a bit nicer at the end. I literally never try to match brows. I literally just follow each brow, how they currently look. And then I just line under the brow. And I use the Pro Concealer in the colour Fawn. I'm really struggling to do this in this mirror. I don't know what is going on here. And then it looks alright. And then I literally just wipe it away. Well, I say wipe it away, I'm essentially blending it out. I go in with the Bobbi Brown blusher in the shade Apricot. For the mascara, I don't wear lashes because I'm not that great at putting them on, so I just opt for mascara alone instead. Uoma Drama Bomb, and I'll coat the lash with that first, and then whilst the lashes are still wet, I go in with the Ilia, God, what's this called? Limitless Lash Mascara, and I put that on top. I feel like this combo is elite. I do like both mascaras individually, but together they are just next level. Oh gosh, I'm gonna poke my eye out at some point. Pretty much it for the top lashes, and then for the bottom lashes, I'm not gonna do the bottom ones. Actually, I will do it now. So for the bottom lashes, I use the Ilia, this is baby version, It's the Fullest Volumizing Mascara. And okay. I'm gonna line my lower lashes with this pencil. It's the Yves Saint Laurent waterproof eye pencil. Lips, I'm going in with the Juvia's Place Luxe Liner in Cola. I feel like this is a true brown, whereas I used to use chestnut, which is kind of purplish brown. I'm going to use this Rimmel lip gloss in the, I want to say in the shade, but this was actually a clear gloss at one point. It's just because I use it with brown lip liners, so this is what happened. So yeah, but I like this because it's not very sticky. It's not sticky at all. It's quite a good lip gloss. Set my face with the Urban Decay All Nighter, the pollution protection. Leave that to dry rather. And it's really when you spray it and when it dries down that it really kind of like marinates and does what it needs to do. This is the end product. Yeah, the makeup's had a little bit of a chance to marinate on my face, and this is just how it ends up looking. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. It wasn't really a tutorial, but I hope you guys enjoyed my makeup routine. And yeah, let me know what other videos you guys would like to see in the comment section down below. And yeah, like, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.